to my first YouTube video on this channel. I will be reviewing Castor Shea Moisturizing Urban Hydration Facial Mask. Yes, that is a mouthful. This facial mask is for moisturizing, which I really need because I have dry skin. And it's also a peel-off. Peel-off masks are an easy and gentle way to exfoliate the skin and remove impurities. In addition, this shea butter and castor oil hydrates the skin while aiding lines and scars. The directions say, apply a thin layer of mask to clean skin using fingertips, avoiding eye area. Keep mask on for 15 minutes or until dry. Gently peel off mask. Use weekly or as needed. And I will be cleansing my face today with Paula's Choice, the perfectly balanced foaming cleanser. Just gonna give a close-up of my face. As you can see, I am breaking out. So it doesn't say that helps with acne, but hopefully it does. And I don't think you can really see in this lighting, but I do have dry skin. And I'm also going to be testing this mask on my dad because he has very, very dry skin. So the mask is on, and as you can see, it's a very clear mask, and I'm really excited that's a peel off. As you can see, it's pretty clear, and I like how you didn't have to use much because it said apply a thin layer. You do have to be careful with this product. It is very runny and it will go everywhere, so just make sure you have a towel ready. I do like the scent. It is really refreshing and it's kind of minty, but it's not like overpowering, but I do really like it so far. So I will be back when the 15 minutes are over and I will show you what the mask looks like before getting peeled off. Okay, so the mask is dry. It is really hard to talk in. I mean, I've had masks that are a lot stronger and harder than this to talk in, but I do like the tight feeling and kind of gives me that glow, you know. Oh goodness. Back to business. It is time to peel it off. And I'm gonna go get a towel and start peeling it off in my bedroom. Wow, this is really soft. Wasn't expecting that. Usually like they rip and it like feels like it's ripping out like things off your face, but like I like how soft this is. It is easier like to roll it up. I'm gonna try to get this in one piece. We'll see if that works. So I just went and washed my face off to get the excess product, and honestly I can't really like see a difference, and it kind of is soft. Like I thought it was gonna be really hydrating that I need, but it kind of just feels like I need lotion. But I will be trying the product for a week and seeing like how it goes. I will be giving an update video. I do hope that it does apply more moisture in future uses or gets rid of scarring and acne. I appreciate you watching my channel today, and if you do want to see future videos and if you do like my channel, please subscribe or like this video. In the future, my videos will mainly be about skincare and things that I do to prevent acne. I also do a lot of things with my hair. I know I'm not all pretty right now, but I usually don't look this shitty. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you next time.